Hey kids, Ham and Cheese back here with you again today. And real quick today, we're going to talk about the cheap and easy way to get started in electronics diagnostic and repair. And one of the easiest ways to do this, and the cheapest ways to do this, is to hit up your local thrift shops for items such as this GE radio you see in front of us here. As you can see, we paid $5 today at the local Goodwill for this. What's nice about this stuff is it's plentiful, it's easily obtained, and it's easy to work on. All you need to get started on something like this most times is just a model number. You can see that right there. From there, you can find things like Sam's Photo Facts, schematics, you can find documentation such as service manuals and guides. You can find articles on this stuff, videos, stories other folks have written, and so on and so forth. You can also get this stuff at garage sales, Hamfest, and even on eBay. A lot of times on eBay you can find these things in box lots, 10 or 12 at a time, for just a few dollars. Usually they all have something wrong with them. And like I said, it's a cheap and easy way to get started. It teaches you things like such as soldering. It teaches you how to identify and diagnose components such as electrolytic caps, transistors, diodes, and so on. And the best part is, if you break it, you're out what, $5? Exactly. And sometimes even less than that. So take it from me, kids, Ham and Cheese, and keep it cheap and easy just like me. And you'll be working on your own equipment and be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching.